Okay, my friends, welcome back. This is a Viking Professional 48-inch. Just picked this up yesterday. I installed a new Sub-Zero CL4850 UFD. That's a 48-inch wide bottom freezer with French doors. And it's a monster. And it's got R600 Freon in it, so if you guys are not licensed to carry or use or fix appliances with R600, word to the wise, that's the future. So you can get certified online. I did too. This is the back. It looks in really good shape. Customers took care of it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll give you a little history about it. I went on the call one day, a service call, and they were complaining that the freezer wasn't cold enough. And it was iced up. So I defrosted it, thought it would work. She called me back and said it's the same thing. I checked the pressure in the system, and it was low. I put a line tap valve in up there and put some Freon in it to see if I can get it. It started working, but it wasn't cold enough. So I'm pretty sure it's got a Freon leak. It's probably coming from the heat exchanger. And that is not easy to do on this machine. So we're going to take this thing apart. I may even drill out these rivets and pull the top off, because I've never done that before, but it seems, it's a beautiful refrigerator, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it other than make a video about it. So I'll try to explain everything about it and how it works. For those of you who are not techs, this is just an absolutely beautiful machine. Anyway, that being said, if you have anything you'd like to see me do, or some kind of repair that you'd like to know about this machine, let me know. I'll see if I can work it in. Send me a comment and let me know. Okay, that's it for now. We'll see you when we start working on this.